So today we're going to be making some Valentine's cards using some watercolour paint and some white crayon. So there's a little glimpse of what we're going to do, and it's really easy for the little ones to take part in. So you could draw the hearts if you wanted to with a crayon, or they can give it a go, and all they do is wash a bit of watercolour over it. But I'm going to show you the process anyway, and you'll see how my children respond to this task, and it's really quite well, so it's good for young children. And then we're going to go through a couple of other things, so that's going to make up the whole video. So hope you enjoy it, and please stay tuned and see what happens. This right, I've got lots of hearts, so this is what we like to do. I'm just getting some more sketchbook paper. I like the rustic edge by ripping off the edge, so I'm just going to rip that bit off. Fold it into our little squares. So we're going to draw some hearts to make a card. Yeah. It's actually cut up on a really lovely example. I just fold it, I crease with my nails all the way along. Oh dear, right. Ta-ta.
No, hold on.
You put it on the table, Finley, get down.
Yeah, Mummy.
And then we rip it. So, white crayons, and that's what works to create that resist effect. Create these little resist pictures using a crayon, because the crayon stops the watercolour going through to the paper, so you get that nice effect. So I'm just going to do a heart there, and I've already done blue, so I think we'll try a different colour. You've done orange, wow. So do you want to do another one?
Yep.
Well, I'll start this one off, so let's go for, should we have red? That's it, and then you go over with Mummy's brush.
Okay.
Do you want to do red, and you can do a little bit of orange in there as well? Okay. And that's basically it, so we need 4 of those. So we just literally folded some cards in half, haven't we? So we can then take our card and we can just place 4 different colours on the card and stick them down. So we'll show you how that turns out, and we'll get that done in a minute. Okay, have a good look at the camera. Have a little look. Okay, sorry, she's just trying to walk over everything. Okay. Anyway. Maggie can do one, can't she? Actually, she might not want to do it. She doesn't want to do it. We'll do it another day. She's going to do a footprint one day. So it might, we have to do it on that pink bit of her foot, so we're not sure. So we're going to do another one. We're going to do another heart. And then we'll just pick which hearts we want to use.
Hello.
Right, ready? So we're going to use, we've got a blue. Billy, you going to do one for Mummy?
Oh.
Yeah? You going to do it? Yeah?
Can't let the papers out.
They are. Oh, beautiful. So Mummy get more? So look at Finley doing it. Ready? Let me get some more colour for you. Ready? What else do you want to use? There. More. There. Good boy. And then we'll get a little bit of orange and yellow. Do you want one more? Here, one more.
Why is it not doing that?
There we are. There we are. So there we. I don't know what's happened. Let me see. You've got to do it like that. You've got to spread it out a little bit. Okay? Spread it out a little bit.
Can I do it?
You've got.
I want to do another one. I want to do another one. I want to do another one.
Okay, we'll do another one. So if you hold the camera up to us for a minute. Quick, hold the camera. Reg, you gonna have one? Just hold it up.
See that?
Up to our faces. Yeah. do it very lightly, because if you rub into the paper too much, it starts bobbling the paper into bits. So you get the water as well, just spread that colour. I'm just trying to do it. Trying to do it so I can do it. See what I'm doing. Good boy. And then another bit there.
Oh no.
You don't have to, you can use scissors. I'm just looking for that kind of effect.
Cut out one little part. These.
Actually, I'm going to go for yellow. Yellow.
Oh look, that one little
So we're just positioning these hearts where we want them, and once we're happy with that, we can stick them down. And that is our cards complete. Obviously you can write things on here if you want to, or you can just leave it as it is, but I think that looks lovely. Look on here. Okay, just, do you want the blue one, do you?
Yeah.
Okay, so test where you want them to go on your card. That's it. And then,
Yeah.
so do you like those? Yeah, you like those?
Let's start with
What one?
this one.
Okay, so you've got another card.
Then I will put this one.
Oh, it's with this glitter on there.
Yeah.
You can cut around it if you want to. That's it. Leave some of the white edge on there. So we've got all these hearts. So we're just cutting out lots of hearts we did the other day.
Is that right? Why not? Well, let me do it.
Oh, do you know what they look like? These are looking like balloons. So we can put lots of them together and then make it look like lots of little balloons. Hot
Yeah.
balloons.
How do you get this off my show? Show me how to do it now.
Right, so we've got ideas for this one, haven't we?
Yeah.
We've got some ideas for that one. I think we should use the glitter glue again. Right. So, wait. So you can just go like that. That's come out really nice. Benji's lovely creation. Oh, look at those. Look at those. These up. We need loads of these. So you're gonna. It's not enough. We need loads more.
Okay, I'll do some more.
We need a lot of them. We need a lot. But that's how we need to go about it.
Meow, meow, meow. It's a Maggie cat. Meow, meow. Look at the Maggie cat. Meow, meow, meow.
So we finished making our cards for the day, and so we're just chilling, watching a bit of telly, aren't we? And then hopefully tomorrow we'll do something Valentine's-ish, won't we? Yeah. We're not all too tired. So yeah, more to come tomorrow. Yeah, darling.
Pop,
Tim.
yes.
Please don't
Shibbity-bop,
do that.
shibbity-
So we're all just chilling at the moment after making our cards and lots of bits of painting and things, and we're going to try and do a bit more tomorrow for Valentine's, yeah? But right now I think we're just a bit too tired, so we're just going to carry on chilling, yeah? So night night. Night night. Say night night. Benji, you can say night night.
Night.
Oh.
Night.
Oh no, okay darling. Benji. Billy. Oh dear, is he asleep? Benji, let's move your head, darling. We're both falling asleep now. Uh-oh. Benji, you gotta wake up, baby. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Right, we better go to bed. Better get off to bed. Yeah, sleepyhead.